Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to sign on Appy Pie Authorization form. When you choose any of the pay plans, Appy Pie sends you an email titled Please Sign Payment Authorization Form. Open the email. Click on the URL to view Payment Authorization Form. Here you can check our terms and conditions. At the bottom of the document, you can see your app name and plan details. Click on Signature field to provide your authorization. There are 4 ways of signing payment authorization form. In Type, you can enter your name. In Draw, you can draw your signature. In Image, you can upload the image of your signature. In Mobile, you need to enter your mobile number. A text link will be sent to your mobile device, through which you can easily draw or capture your signature. After signing the document, click on Apply. Click to Sign button for accepting Terms of Use and Consumer Disclosure Agreement. That's it, you have successfully signed the agreement. If you want, you can download a copy of Payment Authorization Form. That's it for now. Stay tuned for latest updates. Thanks for watching.